Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dr. Linz here, and today we're going to do a fabulous swimsuit review because I genuinely have such a hard time finding suits, so I love reviewing them for y'all to help you guys out. Before we get into it, don't forget to like, comment. If you love these swimsuit reviews, I'll do more of them for you guys. But let's go ahead, we're gonna jump on into it. The suit I am reviewing today is Cupshe Women's Black Braided Straps Reversible Bottom Strappy Lace Up Bikini Set. So this is a set, and before we get into all the deets of this swimsuit, I am about 5'3", 145, 150, 34D, and let's see, about 4'6" on the size I wear on the bottoms. Okay, so those are my specs there to help you out. So the first part here, we have the top. Both are size medium since it is a set. We're going to talk about the top first. So in my other reviews, I've told you guys how I really like how the straps are not on my neck and pulling. So the first thing I always do is when I put on a suit is how does that feel on my neck? This one did not pull on my neck, which I really, really like. Now, I was surprised it had two little straps in the front, which provides more support. And we'll talk about more support here in a second here with this top. One concerning thing I did have about the top is that there is not a thick band under it. When you have a bigger chest, it's nice to have that thick band under there just for extra, coverage if you need it, and just some extra comfort, I think, for myself. That didn't have that, but it didn't deem as a problem with this top. All right, so then on the side too, you guys know, I don't want side boob. I don't know, maybe you do. I don't want side boob. This bra was pretty good with covering the side boob, maybe just a little bit of it, but nothing to where it's like, okay, that doesn't fit, that doesn't look good, or just I felt uncomfortable. I actually felt very comfortable in it. Now we're gonna get to the most interesting part of the suit, which is the back. Okay, I did look at the back obviously before I bought it, but I wasn't expecting it to be as extravagant as it is. I'm so on the back of it. Like, I think it's cute, but I always think about those tan lines, and I'm like, okay, so if I wear this suit and I get massive tan lines, what's going on other days when I don't wear this? So that's just something that I'm weird about, because one year, short story, I had really weirdo tan lines and it just bugged the crap out of me. So I try to keep them not as crazy nowadays. But a big pro to this suit is that there is a tie in the back, and with the tie, when you tie the back, it then pulls up on this part. It's kind of confusing, but for me, then it felt like it added more support to where it pulled up, on the front, which gave me more support, which I really liked that. So I really do enjoy the top, especially being bigger chested. Again, this is a medium. I am a 34D. So hopefully this helps you. And the color of this suit is navy white. They have a bunch of other colors, like they had a red that I really loved, and they had more of like a really poppy blue, like a pop of blue. I really love that one as well. Okay, now for the bottoms. Again, they are a size medium because they do come as a set, so you have to pick one size. That's a big con for me, pick a one size, but I found with Cupshe, the medium sets have worked really well for me, which is surprising. So here's the bottoms. I really like the cut. You can tell it's a lower waisted cut than the suit I usually wear. You can tell by my tan lines, but I was surprised that I actually did like the lower cut. The reason being is because I could pull it up on my hip. I like that I could pull it up. It makes my legs look a little bit longer. It makes me feel a little bit more slimmer, I guess you could say. I just like the fit when it comes up on the hips. On the side here, we can adjust how it fits. So you could untie this and kind of loosen it a little bit if it seems a little snug, which makes it a little bit more customizable if you're in between sizes. So I did enjoy that. The cut now on the back, I didn't feel like it exposed too much. I liked where it hit on the booty. It wasn't too high. That's one con about my other suit I have. It hits really high and I feel like it looks kind of weird. So I did like that lower cut there. Now, one thing about the suit though that is cool, but also, kind of is that it is reversible. So you can make it then match the top exactly. With that though, I noticed when I did have this side on, sometimes it was rolling over and showing the white a little bit. I mean, it's not a big deal, but that's something I want to point out to you guys if you're looking to snag up the suit. So that is kind of a con about the bottoms, but again, someone that's not too picky, it ended up staying in place once I got it situated. Okay, so overall, I am seriously so amazed by the price point of all suits, because back in the day, I used to have to go to Victoria's Secret and spend loads of money on my swimsuit. So this is such a reasonably priced suit. There's a bunch of different colors. It does fit me well. So this for me is a keeper. I really love this and enjoy it. I'm gonna link this down. You can take a look down in the description. You can take a look at all the other colors and let me know what questions you have. All right, guys, until next time, we will talk to you later.